Exercise 11.3. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box require the lesser amount of material to make? For this, what you will do? Length, breadth and height is given. Length, breadth and height is given. So material we have to compare from this two cuboidal shape. For this, you will calculate total surface area of both the cuboidals. That means formula of total surface area of cuboid is equal to, in the bracket, length into breadth, breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height, and then compare. So this you will do yourself. Now see second question. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeters to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. Tarpaulin cloth, that means waterproof cover. Waterproof type cloth we have to cover the suitcase. Water resistance we can say, canvas type also we can say, or something like plastic we can say, cover to cover the suitcase. That means in short, waterproof. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeters required to cover 100 such suitcase? Okay, so let us start that. For what we will do first, the suitcase in the suitcase length, breadth and height is given. That means cuboidal shape is there, suitcase. And then what we will do, how many meters of width is given. So length we will calculate, and with the help of length we will multiply 100. So total quantity of cloth we will get. So let us start. Now see in second question given length of suitcase 80 centimeter, breadth 48 centimeter, height 24 centimeter. Then total surface area of suitcase equal to 2 formula. So in the formula, when you will put value, you will get this 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 80 into 24, and when you will calculate, you will get 13,824 square centimeter, you can see. Now here you can add one line if any confusion is there, because whatever surface area we have calculated for the suitcase, it will be the area of cloth, because you have to cover suitcase cuboidal shape, okay, all faces or all the completely you will cover. So you can write here. Now according to the question, total surface area of suitcase is equal to area of cloth. I have not written, but you can add this line. Then area of cloth is equal to length into breadth, formula we know, and area we know, total surface area, because cloth we will get in the rectangular form. But here the total surface area, because we give the shape of cloth in the cuboidal, we will cover in the cuboidal shape. So 13,824 is equal to L into 96. It's given in the question. The width of cloth is 96. After that, L we don't know. So for calculating L, 96L is equal to 13,824. L equal to 13,824. L equal to 144 centimeter, you can see here. Only for one suitcase we have calculated till now. So after that you will write. So after that we will write, to cover one suitcase we required or we need length of cloth is equal to 144 centimeter. So to cover 100 suitcase we need length of cloth is equal to 144 into 100 centimeter, then 14,400 centimeter. Then you will change into meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then 14,400 centimeter is equal to 14,400 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter. So 144 meter cloth we need to cover 100 such type of suitcases. Okay. Now third question, find the side of cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. So what you will do, you will write given the surface area of cube is equal to 600 centimeter square, then the surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. Then put the value in the formula. 600 is equal to 6L square. Then calculate the side of cube. Rukhsar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure this. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? That means with lateral surface we are including this also. That means length into breadth. So this question I am solving. So first we surface area we will calculate, and that much part she is painting. Okay. Now see in the fourth question, the length of cabinet 1 meter, breadth is 2 meter, height is 1.5 meter. After that we will write now according to the word problem surface area of cabinet. So 4 and a lateral surface, but it is written clearly except bottom. Top also we have to calculate. So for top, length into breadth, and this is the lateral surface. So 2H L plus B plus L into B for top. So 2 into 1.5 L plus B, that means 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 2. Okay. So 15 2s are 30, and before 1 digit we will put decimal, plus 2 1 3 plus 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11 square centimeter. The answer will be in the statement form. Also you will write the answer. Now see fifth question. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height. Give. Length is 15 meter, breadth is this, height is this. From each can of paint 100 meters square, that means 100 square meter of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? For this question, what you will do? First you will write the length of room or walls. Cuboidal hall is given. So length of hall, breadth of hall and height of hall. Then after that it is clearly written ceiling of cuboidal hall included. So with lateral surface, same to same in the previous question we have done. You will include the top part also, because ceiling is there. Chhat bhi wo paint karne wala hai. So you will get total surface area. Then you will write given for paint 100 square meter area, we need 1 can. So to paint this much of area, we need number of cans is equal to whatever area you have calculated divided by 100, you will get number of cans. Okay. Bye-bye. How the two figures at the right are like and how they are different, which box has larger lateral surface area. That means we have to calculate for these two shapes, that means cylinder and cube, lateral surface area. The lateral surface area of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi RH. You will put the value in the formula, you will calculate and you will get the lateral surface area for this. And here the lateral surface area of cube, that top and bottom you will not calculate. So whole surface area, formula of whole surface area is 6 side square. So here 4 side square you will calculate and then compare. Now seventh question. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter made from a sheet of metal. That means we have to calculate whole surface area of cylinder. That means 2 pi r plus h formula we will use. And you can see here radius is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. So easily you can calculate and you can solve this sum. Eighth question, the lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is 4225 centimeter square. Lateral surface is given. It is cut along here its height. Along its height. Now see height. Already we studied about cylinder. See here. Height. Okay. And it is called length. Because already I explained the cylinder, how cylinder will get the rectangular shape, okay, and lateral surface, that means 2 pi r/h. So what we will do after that, it's cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet. That means circumference is called length of rectangular shield, okay, in the cylinder, of width 33 centimeter, and a rectangular sheet's width we assume as the height of hollow cylinder. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. That means perimeter of rectangular sheet, that means what formula we will, which one formula we will apply? 2 in the bracket L plus B. So let us start the question. See, given the lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is equal to 4224 centimeter square, and width of rectangular sheet we will assume as the height of hollow cylinder. So height is 33 centimeter. Now apply the formula. Lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r/h. We have to calculate the value of 2 pi r because in the rectangular sheet L is equal to 2 pi r. So 4224 is equal to 2 pi r into 33, or we can write 2 pi r into 33 is equal to 4 because 2 pi r is the length of rectangular sheet. So 2 pi r is equal to 4224 upon 33. When you will solve this, you will get 128 centimeter. So 2 pi r is equal to L is equal to 128 centimeter. Hence length of rectangular sheet you will write here is 128 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B. In place of L you will write 128 and in place of breadth you will write 33. Then calculate, you will get perimeter of rectangular sheet. Okay. Now ninth question is, a road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. That means 750 complete revolutions when a road roller will take, the road's level will be smooth. That means we have to calculate, find the area of the road if the diameter of road roller is this and the length is this. Road roller will take round in this way. That means top. If this pencil is unsharpened, then we can consider this complete cylindrical shape. But now top, this 2. Okay, bottom and top we are not using, so roller will take complete round. So complete round taken by roller in one round. Okay, one round taken by roller is equal to curved surface area of roller. But here you can see the diameter is given in centimeter and length, that means height is given in meters. So we will change into centimeter. Okay, so let us start. See here, given diameter of road roller is equal to 84 centimeter, then radius equal to d by 2, 84 by 2, 42 centimeter. Length of roller, that means height is, by mistake I have written is equal to sign, or you can cut the equal sign or cut is. From both the things you can cut one thing. Okay, so length of roller, that means height is 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter because the radius is given in the centimeter. Okay, so same units should be there. Now curved surface area of road roller is equal to 2 pi r/h. Put the value in the formula and cancel, you will get 26400 square centimeter. because in place of pi 22 by 7, 2 as it is, r is 42 and h is 100. 7 6 are 42. When you will multiply, you will get this 26,400 square centimeter. It is the curved surface of road roller. Okay. After that, we will write area covered by roller in one round is equal to 26400 square centimeter. Then area covered by roller in how many rounds? 750 rounds. You will put here S, rounds. 26400 multiplied by 750. So we will get 198 with 5 zeros square centimeter. Unit should be there. Now this square centimeter we will change into square meter. But we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So again 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. Because 1 into 1 square meter. And 100 into 100 centimeter, that means 10,000 square centimeter. So 1 square centimeter is equal to 1 upon 10,000 square meter. So 19850 square centimeter is equal to 1 upon 10,000 multiplied by 198 with 50. 4 zeros cancel by 4. So how much area covered in 750 rounds? 1980 square meter area will be covered in 750 rounds. Now see here, 10th last question of 11.3. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter. We can see diameter. So radius easily we can calculate. And height is 20 centimeter. Its cylinder's height is 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of the container. You can see label. That means curved surface around the label. The company places a label around the surface of the container as shown in the figure. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and bottom. See here this distance. 2 centimeter below from here and 2 centimeter above from here. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. Then height of this label will be 2 you will subtract from here, 2 you will subtract from here. So from the 20 we will subtract 4. Okay. So height of the label we will get 16 centimeter. And then we have to calculate the curved surface area of label, 2 pi RH. So first you will write, you will do yourself this question. First you will write, given the diameter of the cylinder is this, height of cylinder is this, and label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and bottom, then height of the label is 20 minus 2 minus 2. That means 20 minus 4, 16 centimeter. Then curved surface area of label is equal to 2 pi RH. Put the value in the formula and calculate. Okay. So 11.3 finished.